Hi everyone, we are Team 2, the Money Monkeys. In this video, we will walk you through how we handled issue management in GitHub, and the features we explored while setting up our project. We did not follow any strict documentation, but as a starting point, we looked at GitHub's community standards. From there, we set up most of the basic files. The only thing we skipped was the security standards. In our repository, you can see the main things we added: our README, our code of conduct, the contributing file, and the MIT license. We can also add a co-donors file to assign ownership of folders and files. Inside our contributing file, we added self-review notes. It's a quick checklist before making a pull request. It reminds us to keep clean code structure, follow async and security rules, use proper CSS and JS standards, write BDD scenarios, and make sure formatting, tests, and commits all pass. Next, let's talk about our issue templates. We created 2 templates, one for bugs and one general template. In the general template, we added a description and acceptance criteria. The acceptance criteria help the reviewer understand what must be completed before merging. Then we attach the issue to a milestone and add it to the project. Once the issue is created, we move into backlog refinement. Here we break the issue down, add blockers, link it to the right iteration, and give estimates. We check if the work is clear, if anything is missing, and if the team has the capacity. It takes time, but it helps us plan better and avoid surprises later. After backlog refinement, we move to the project section. Here we can see the full backlog, the team capacity, and the current iteration. The project board shows all issues in different stages. We can move them across columns, and team members can create development branches straight from the issue. All roadmaps and timelines are automatically generated, so the team mostly just moves items around. And even that is partly automated, which you will see later. In the project settings, we configured a few custom columns. The most useful one is the iteration column, where we defined our sprints. This gives us a clear roadmap of what needs to be done in each cycle. All roadmaps and timelines are automatically generated by this. Now let's look at pull requests. We created a PR template that appears every time someone opens a PR. They can edit it easily, and by using words like closes or fixes, the PR automatically links to its issue. Alternatively, we can go directly to an issue and create a development branch from there. This automatically tags the issue, so when the pull request is merged, the issue closes automatically and moves the status to done. We use milestones to track sprint progress and plan work for each cycle. Milestones show a list of issues and clearly indicate which ones are open and which ones are closed, helping the team stay organized and on track. For branching, we used Git flow, so branches always start with fix, feature, docs, and so on. We also followed conventional commits for clean commit messages. We added branch protection to the develop and main branches. We mandated 2 reviewers. We only allow squash and merge. This keeps the history clean, and the squashed commit contains a list of all changes inside. To maintain code quality, we installed a pre-commit hook. It runs tests and formats files before every commit. This keeps everything consistent. Since we follow Git flow, every release is handled by raising a pull request from develop to main. Once the PR is merged, we tag the version to mark the release. That covers our setup and our workflow. Thank you for watching.